Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to fix Instagram broadcast channel is not showing. So the first step is go to the Play Store because that problem maybe is for you don't have the ultimate option of the Instagram app. So you need to check this option here in Play Store. You need to go to the Play Store. You need to search Instagram, and here in the part of abrir, this is open in English. If you have the option of upload, so you need to upload that application, and after that you need to reset the application of Instagram, and you can check again the option, and the most probably is the Instagram broadcast channel is showing after the actualization. So this is the process. This is can be the reason. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.